I gotta stop. I'm sorry. Take it away.
All right. What's going on, guys? This is Chandler Smith, and today I'm here with Drew and Sienna, and we're gonna show you how they live here for just $42 a month. And we're gonna show you how you can do it too. So with all of that being said, let's jump into it. Now we're nervously walking in front of both of your units here because the owner in the front doesn't know you're the owner of both. Yes. Which is probably the best way to do it when you're living next to your tenant.
Fall is upon us.
So tell us about it. What is all in this unit?
So this front one's a 2-bed, 1-bath. Just a single lady living there right now, renting for $1,050.
Let's go.
And then there's a garage on the side as well.
And the thing that's super cool about this is it is a duplex, but they're actually two separate units.
Yeah.
So you don't have to share a wall or upstairs or downstairs
Yep.
with these tenants. And how much did you end up paying for the property?
So total closing was $255.
Very cool. Now, the thing that makes this video really exciting is the fact that we posted a short clip on TikTok that is now about to hit 2 million views. And I think the biggest reason it's exploded so much is, one, it's fascinating that you guys are living here for $42 a month, but also everybody's wondering how at age
21
and
22
you could pull that off.
I won't do you.
Do Drew, not me.
No, I'm doing you.
No, please don't do it.
I packed this one a little hard though. Let me get a solid one for you.
Pick better friends, Chad.
Okay, ready?
I know. No, I'm not ready.
Go.
It's only good when you.
Winter is also upon us. Welcome to Idaho.
Drew, yeah, tell me how you guys came up with the money to be able to purchase this.
Yeah.
And then once we get inside, we're going to turn it over to Sienna because we know she's the brains behind making it look pretty.
She is.
And I don't think we tied it together. Also, I have to introduce you as the more handsome, slightly less energetic Myers brother.
Yes.
He's the muted version.
So yeah, we just finished up our second summer with Active Pest Control sales. Did really well, sold over $300,000 worth of pest control.
Now, you've got to break down what this means for people, because in the TikTok video, these guys got blasted about how they're using daddy's money or Yogi's money.
I wish
when,
they were
when in reality, your first summer you made how much?
About 50,
50,000. And then this summer you're looking to make,
just over 200.
holy cow, let's go.
That's a big
So,
year.
that is slightly above average for our second year rep. However, it's not that crazy. It's kind of crazy, but anybody can do it if you're like this guy.
Yeah, absolutely. I didn't think I would be the best salesman in the world, but worked super hard and learned from these guys, so it helped a lot.
Awesome. Well, and the thing that I love about your specific situation is you've been extremely frugal and smart with your money. A lot of it is still in the bank. You're in the process of purchasing another duplex right now, while living in this duplex that you're able to pick up with a very low down payment.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, it's been great. We put a down payment of 15% on this one, which was about 38 grand. So still have a lot left over for some more properties.
very cool. Now, I'm gonna hijack the video for a minute and walk everybody else through the process you had to go through, and you correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
And we're gonna come over here to tell them about it. All right, guys, now we're gonna break down how you're able to pull off this purchase. We've already covered the fact that you made a killing with pest control. However, I advise people to not pay cash for any property. You should always get a loan, especially right now, because interest rates are absolutely insane. So the process you have to go through, you go into the bank, you get pre-approved for a loan, and right there is where the first potential issue for you came, because usually if you're a 1099, which our sales reps are, it takes 2 years of tax history to be able to get approved for a loan. You only had 1 year, even though you'd made the money this year. And so when you went in, our loan officer that works some magic said, I don't think you're gonna be able to get approved. But he submitted it, and lo and behold, you actually got approved. Because you had a backup plan, you were gonna find a co-signer if you couldn't. And still to this day, you're not sure why
No, it just ended up going through. It was kind of a miracle.
So he was able to get pre-approved for the loan. We probably should do some research on that because I've always, with any other sales rep, had an issue. I think one of the big reasons is you had money in the bank that you could show them. You had a good track record, good credit.
We also, talking to Tony, he gave us the idea. We put our names on like my parents' credit cards and stuff to show along your credit history. So I did a few things like that I don't know if it helped
really
or not,
made you look good. So guys, if you
good.
want to know how to immediately bump your credit and make it look really, really good and have a good, long history, the best way to do that is to become an authorized user on that credit card. Now, there are a bunch of other hacks that we've been able to help you with to increase your credit score. And if you guys want to learn about those, I actually made a video, heck, it's probably been 2 years ago, that you can go and watch that shows you how to immediately up your credit score. And a big part of that is becoming an authorized user. So super cool. After going through that, you're able to get approved. Then it was time to make sure that you could find a good property. So luckily you've got a good realtor in Mr. Yogi. Yep. You guys shopped it out. You're able to find this incredible deal on this duplex. And then after that, you did a full inspection. You did your due diligence on everything. And then you got to closing. We've had a lot of people, especially on TikTok, a bunch of 12-year-olds coming at you hot about how it's really hard to get that much money in savings. And if you guys want to know how to do it, you can be like Ryan, come sell pest control for 4 months. Gosh, guys, it's so hard. There's Garrett Myers, there's Ryan Myers, there's Andrew Myers. They all own real estate. They're all baller salesmen. There's also Jordan Myers, also a baller. It's complicated. I'm sorry, Drew.
It's okay.
I've made too many videos with Mr. And the other thing is, I don't know whether to call you Garrett or Yogi. I call you Garrett, but the world calls you Yogi, so
True.
I'm at a loss.
You can call me
a lot of
whatever
names.
you want as long as you call me, buddy.
And the rest is history. Now, you're also working on another duplex right now.
Yeah.
When do you think you're going to close on that?
Probably about a month or so.
Very cool.
Yeah.
So if you are interested in following the same process as Drew, one thing that's really cool is we have lots of our sales reps that are making the right moves just like this, that are able to go in. And if you're wondering what this method is called, it's actually house hacking. That's literally what house hacking is.
Yeah.
And you're able to live for $42 a month in this awesome place with your beautiful wife.
Yep. Yeah, it's been great.
Congrats. So if you guys are interested, you can apply to come work with us below. And once you buy a property, you get to be a part of our elite property club, which right now we have, how many members, Garrett?
I don't know, 23 maybe?
I think 23
24?
or 24 of our sales reps. We'll show you the picture. We're missing 5 or 6 of them in this picture. But all of these guys have come, they've worked for us, and they now own property. And you can be a part of it in just 2 years. And if you do it like Drew has, you're gonna have a lot more than just these 2 duplexes. Yeah. I would dare bet Drew is gonna end up being one of our fastest growing, because your older brother Garrett did really good, and then Ryan did even better, and now you're on track to do even better than that. Yeah. So let's go.
Good mentors.
Any words of wisdom for other 20-year-old kids that are wanting to be in a good situation?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, come sell pest control. Step one. Yeah, get some good mentors. Chandler's YouTube videos I've watched for years, and it's cool to finally be able to see it come to pass. So
that's awesome. Well, thank you so much. Also, you're going to be documenting your journey on Instagram. You and your wife are. Yep. And so we're going to put, do you guys have one Instagram you're putting everything on, or 2?
We kind of both reshare, but you can put both of ours.
Okay, we'll put both of them down here at the bottom. So if you guys want to follow Drew, you can. Also, if you want to work with Drew next year, because he literally was our best sales rep this last year, you can hit him up on Instagram. Just make sure you let him know that you found him through this YouTube video. And we'll look forward to seeing you out this next summer.
This is called pinpoint accuracy.
All right, guys, so we're gonna head inside, and Sienna's gonna show us all the remodel they've done and what they're planning on doing.
We painted this door. It's kind of a mess right now.
Okay, on the docket. This is actually super cutesy now that you've got all this stuff in here.
Thanks, it looks good with our furniture in it. But.
Yeah.
So the carpet's great. We're gonna leave the carpet. It's just a renter-friendly apartment. So the paint is in good condition. There's a lot of chipping around like the framework and the baseboards, but probably just touch that up like a little bit. Yeah, that's it for that. Not
it's
much work
incredible
needed.
what furniture does.
Yeah, good lighting, cute furniture. But yeah, this room is pretty much done already. This light fixture is kind of gross looking, so I'll probably replace that. But yeah, probably just leave everything. We did spend a lot on electric to replace these outlets. So the only 4 in here, and they were like falling apart and broken and stuff. So we did pay to replace those.
That's awesome. And this is the smaller unit of the two.
Yeah. Front one's 2 bed, 1 bath. This one's just a 1 bed, 1 bath. We're just gonna, cause this is plaster, it'll cost a lot to cut it all out and put in a new door. So we're just gonna put in a nice little curtain right there. So.
Very cool.
Bathroom. Okay, so this bathroom is my favorite transformation. If you guys remember before, there was like this ugly white cardboard tile up here and it was just super nasty. So we got a new vanity and toilet, just for like $200 at Sam's Club. Some black finishes, and then a lot of you guys recommended that we just rip everything out and start over. So we hired a tiler, he redid all of this, and then just some new fixtures. Our biggest struggle right now is this disgusting tub. If you look, we have like this big yellow stain. I have no idea how to fix that, so we're working on that right now. But
we're gonna put you in contact with the right guy so you can get it looking nice.
Good. But yeah, so we actually went with open shelving. It's a lot more inexpensive than real cupboards, and it saves a lot of space because, as you can see, this is like a really small cutout right here. And we actually really like it. It's pretty cute. And then
you guys have a cereal dispenser. They're outside. It's gonna be massive. You gotta open it.
oh yeah, that was a good wedding gift. It's my favorite thing.
That is very cool.
Thank
My
you.
house is a little bigger than yours and I don't have a cereal dispenser.
Well, you're supposed to do milk first, but it's okay.
But before, there was this ugly yellow, like Russian looking sink right here, and it was super nasty, and when we moved it out, there was just mold and cardboard and soggy grossness underneath. So we ripped it out, painted it with this mold, kills its stuff, and then installed these simple prefab cabinets. Drew installed all of these, and then they still need like little handles for the extra touch, but other than that, it's pretty much done, so.
You moved the oven.
Oh, yeah.
Make the flow better.
Yeah, we got an electrician as well to move this outlet over here. That way there isn't this big, huge stove right here and you gotta walk around it. So yeah, we really like it. Little dining area over here. This is just our storage room back there. But yeah, this house actually has a ton of storage and a lot of cabinetry, so.
This is like perfect for your situation.
Oh yeah, yeah, it's perfect size. We love it.
So awesome.
So you guys are living for $42 a month right now.
$42 a month.
That's pretty good. You bought this property for how much?
It was $255. Yep.
What's your interest rate? Do you remember?
3%.
3%. That's a good rate.
Yeah.
You always get a better interest rate when you own or occupy. So these guys obviously bought this as a primary residence.
Yep.
And the rule on the loan is that you have to intend to live here for a year. So they're going to live here while they fix it up, and then move out at that point and rent it out. But that's one of the reasons you got such a killer interest rate.
Yep.
Down payment, you had to do 15%, is that right?
15%, yep.
Okay.
About $38,000.
So that's a good chunk of change.
That's a good chunk.
Good thing you worked hard this summer, huh?
Yes, sir.
What's your monthly payment? Do you remember when all's said and done?
It's $1,092.
Wow.
Yeah, it's
And
not much.
these guys are paying
right now is $1,050.
Okay, I said 1,100. I was close.
About the same, yeah. And then once they move out, we're hoping to get more like 1,200 out of that one, and then hopefully 9 or 1,000 out of this as well.
Wow.
Smash the like button, like and subscribe. Shoot Chandler a warm and friendly DM, and let's all buy some real estate. See if we can't edit some leaves in here.